Hello and welcome to a Sunday family day at the river. It's Memorial Day Sunday. Don't normally go out on Memorial Day Sunday, but we decided to go out and have a family day at the river. Some wild horses hanging out at the Blue Point Bridge. Thousands of people hanging around. I guess they don't mind people that much, so they're just hanging out there. And this sort of a picture of the shoreline. And the sheriff's office is running their boat upstream, looking for God knows what, but they're out today. The Red Mud Cliff area, pretty busy, lots of people hanging out. Got the usual kind of garbage out there at the gold field. Leave your towels outside the trash can. I guess it makes it easier to pick up the trash cans. And I don't think this wrap is actually a towel, but it's kind of big, kind of expensive. Those rafts are not cheap, but it's what you want to do. It's what you're going to do. So, took the inflatable out today, and there are some horses, quite a few of them out today at the river, just kind of hanging out. Downstream of Goldfield. Yeah. And some more horses hanging out above Coon Bluff. All white horses hanging out there. I don't know what that's all about. Had to hit the rope. If you notice that the camera is so crappy is I forgot to bring my GoPro. So this is all cell phone footage. And when I got back, I got my camera out of the truck and things were better. That was somebody's dog that we had to keep an eye on while they went down to the river. Shuttle driver was out, had a little picnic out there, and had a good time. Thanks for watching. Bye.